Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for subscribing. Here it is. You guys requested it, and I haven't done one of these videos in years, so I thought I would do one right now. It is my much anticipated How to Use Your Body Care Up Fast. I hoard and buy a lot of Bath & Body Works all the time. I'm obsessed with Bath & Body Works. Could you tell? Yeah. So you guys are always wondering, how do I get through so many empties from Bath & Body Works? I do 2 empties a month. I get through products really fast. How do I do it? You're about to find out. We're gonna go through each item and I will tell you how to use it up fast, stuff that I do use, stuff that I don't. Some of the stuff that I do use, when I used to use them, or if I did, how would I use it fast? And then stuff that I do use, I'll do afterwards. So, stuff I don't use. Let's start with candles. I don't do candles because of my allergies. So, but if I bought candles, this is what I would do. I would light a candle in every section of the house. Yeah. And yeah, that's what I would do. Every single section. So basically, kitchen. Sorry, I had a brain fart. I was like, ugh. I would light one in my bathroom, kitchen, living room. As soon as you wake up, just light the whole, every room. And the candles, the wax will burn really fast. It'll just be like, get through candles really fast. Okay. Okay, so that's candles. Just every day, every room, have a candle lit from sun up to sundown. Just light this place. Of course, if you leave the house, you gotta make sure to, blow out the candles, girl. Otherwise, you might come back to a fire, girl. But you know what I mean? Yeah. God forbid. Anyway, that's candles. Have that lit every single room, all day, all night. Well, not all night. Well, just while you're awake in the house. Yeah. Yeah. Wallflowers the same. Just plug one every single outlet in your house. Constantly use it up. What else? Fragrance sprays. This is something that people are like, oh, it takes forever to use. It doesn't have to. It's called bathing in it. So this is a phrase that I proudly invented. Other YouTubers have stolen my little phrase and talk about bathing in it. I'm the first one who made that popular. Just saying, girl. I made that, taking a scent and you bathe in it, honey. Like, like people do. I started that, girl, in 2018. Other YouTubers, some gave me credit and some didn't. But if you want to know who started it first, that trend was me. Just letting you know. Okay, girl, just saying. I'm taking credit because I'm saying, in case you didn't know. Anyway, so you take your bottle and you spray it in your hair. You spray it all over your neck. You bathe in it. You take one arm, spray it everywhere. Legs, arms, bags, chest. You basically bathe in it. You take your spray, you bathe in it. When you no longer smell it, you do a second round, a third round, fourth round. I would say every couple hours, bathe in that scent. You use it as a pillow mist. You use it in your room, house spray, room spray, on your bed, your curtains, your sheets, everywhere. Closets. Just breathe all that in. Yes. Yeah, just use it all the time, nonstop. Spray it in every room, living room. Use it as a, what's it called? On the couch, on the chairs. Use it on your fake plants. Just spray it until your finger gets tired and starts to kink up. Like, lock up, girl. That's how you do the spray. Okay, so yeah, everything that I actually do use. Let's start with pocket bags, girl. This are just examples from my collection. So, Kikora Melon. How to use your pocket bag quickly. You put one in every single area. You put one by your bed. You put one in your bathroom. You can put one on your office desk, by your TV. Just have one next to you at all times, like your cell phone, and just constantly just pour it and use it, girl. Use it up, girl. And that's how you use your pocket bag fast. Pocket back fast. Hand soaps. Now, I don't use hand soaps anymore because of my allergies or pocket bags anymore. But I just have these in my collection. Actually, so my mom's going to use this soon. Keynotes are fresh squeezed lime and sea salt. Is this a haul video? It is now. No, I'm kidding. It's a really pretty packaging from me a couple years ago. How to use your island margarita. How do you use your hand soap fast? You put one in every single bathroom. You don't use more than one at a time. And some people, they have 3 or 4 in your bathroom at once. Use one at a time. Same with showers. We'll get to showers in a minute. Actually, all these products. Okay. I'm getting ahead of myself. Okay, so you use this all the time. I wash my hands obsessively. I have OCD, just giving it a real. I might do a whole video on my OCD again because I haven't done one in years. It's gotten a little better, but it's still problem, girl. Anyway, you guys, so if you have OCD, then this is no problem, girl. You can start really fast. I'm a germaphobe too. So you just use this. I wash my hands maybe like a few times an hour. I'm not even kidding. Yeah, I can use a hand soap. I can use what is this, foaming? I can use a foaming up in about 6 days. I can use a gel in 3.5 days. Yeah. And of course, you use more hand lotion and cream on your hands when you do that. And you use that faster too. So there you go. It works out for that. So that's how you do that. Let's see. Shower gel. Just like soaps. One at a time. You put one in your bathroom. Use it up. Put in your empties. Put what? I know some people, they like 6 or 7 in the same. If you have 6 or 7 shower gels in the same time and you alternate, you'll never use it up, girl. It takes you months and months and months. No, ma'am. Unless you only buy Good Bath Body once a year, you get 6 shower gels, then you're fine. But if you're a hoarder like me, well, if you're not a hoarder, why are you watching this video? This is for all the hoarders out there. How to use your product fast, girl. So, this is what I do. Take a shower gel, one at a time. Put in the bathroom. You take it. So, I like to do, I pour a bunch on my hand here. I do my private area. Okay, then after that's wash and rinse and fabulous. Well, actually, I don't rinse it yet. Okay, then I take my loofah. This is the brand new loofah. Oh, I love a brand new loofah smell. You pour this. You pour until it starts to like fall. Yeah, like you pour a lot of it in the middle, and you pour kind of like you're swirling a cake. You pour a lot. How much you pour? You pour. Basically, to do it fast, you need to use like this much every time you shower. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can use. I can use it up in 4 days if I really want to. 4 to 6 days, you can use this up. Okay, lather your whole body, your neck, your arms, armpits, chest, everything except for that area down below that you did with your hands before. I don't like using this on my, down below because it just, no. Okay. Anyway, so I do use hands for that, but everything else, use this and wash it off. You're good to go. In 4 to 6 days, it should be finished. If you want to use it fast, that's how I use this. 3 or 4 a month. Sometimes even more than that. Okay. Hey, you asked me. This is how I do it. This is how I do it, you guys. This is how you have your empties big and twice a month. Okay. The scrub. I can use this up in 10 days. In 3 or 4 uses. Yeah. I put a whole lot on this. Use one area. Put more. Use it on one area. And then so on and so on. I can use up. So you want to use up, let's see, 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. You want to use it up in 3 uses. If you use it up a few times, twice a week, every 10 days. So you can go through 3 of these a month. That's how you do it. And then the good thing is if you overuse your products, your whole bathroom will smell so good. You don't even need a wallflower in the bathroom because your bathroom will smell like your shower gel all day long. And you just want your skin too all day long. This cream, you guys, by the way, this is a little tangent, but this cream is the best cream of all time. The Iced Lemon Pound Cake. Oh my God, I need to get multiples of this very, very soon. I'll read the ketos for this because this is so good. Okay, sugary glazed icing, pure lemon zest, fluffy pound cake. This is amazing. It smells good from just smelling it like this, but on your body, it's like euphoric, and it smells like lemon flavored icing on a donut. Glazed icing on a donut, and I'm actually obsessed. It smells like that, plus Girl Scout lemon cookies and lemon Oreos. Golden lemon Oreos all combined. It's just so good. If this was a man, we'd be married in Vegas right now. It's that good. This, you are so perfect. I kiss it, so good. So anyway, this isn't about that though. I have a whole review on that. Check it out if you haven't seen it. How to use it up quickly? I can use it up in a week or less. You open it, you pour a lot on your hands, you do your thigh, then you pour more, do your leg, other thigh, other lower leg. Then you do the same with your arms. I do my neck, my shoulders, lower back, mid back, upper back, sides. I basically just bathe in this too. I bathe in it. Pretend that you're a piece of toast and this is butter. You want to smear the butter all over the toast. Yes. Okay, girl, and this is a body, well, this is a body cream, but it smells like a yummy butter. No, anyway, it's good. So this is how I use it up fast. I can use this up in less than a week. Yeah, fantastic. Brilliant. When I'm not using that, I use the actual whipping butter. Whipped body butter. This is the Bahamas one. Fantastic as well. This is not used yet, but this will be used very, very soon. Oh my God, yes. Perfection. Fabulous. Okay. Same with this. I can use this up in like 4 days, maybe. You just take a chunk out. Same. Smother your whole body in it. Smother your whole body in this. 4 days, 5 days, this will be used up too. I'm telling you, if you want to hoard, you gotta use it up. Okay, girl. That's what you gotta do. And that's it, you guys. That's how I use all my products really, really fast. And yeah, I get through the products really fast. I do 2 empties a month, and that's how I do it, you guys. And so yeah. That's it. So that's all I gotta do. That's all I gotta say, and that's that. So this is real highly requested because I haul a lot, I buy a lot, I hoard a lot, but I use a lot of product a lot, and that's how I use stuff up really fast, and I can get through stuff really fast. And but like I said, if you have too much product, just take a break. Like I'll be honest, probably in April, I'm not gonna be buying from Bath and Body Works, except for maybe a few more backups of this cream from Lemon Iced Lemon Pound Cake, and of course I'll get even more if there's any left for SAS. That's really it. Maybe even through May. It just depends on what comes up for May. And then, of course, June I'll go ham in June for SAS because I have to stock up on these scrubs. I got to stock up on everything else. And then, of course, the new collections out and everything else. Anyway, you guys, so I'll be going super ham. I'm not going to do a huge Bath & Body Works haul until probably June. Just keeping it real for the SASs. And that'll be, I'll go ham. I'll do multiple rounds, multiple SAS hauls in June for sure. So, in May, I'm going to be back with the Ultimate SAS Guide, talking about how I work the sale and how to save money, all that stuff. My plans for SAS, and then my SAS wish list as well with a separate video. Everything I want to buy for SAS and how much of it I'm planning on getting and everything. And yeah, I'm going to do coming up soon products, scents I don't like, updated scents I don't like from Bath & Body Works video. One of those, I hate scents. Those you guys always request, and it was really popular last year. I did one, and I always get a lot of comments on those. So I'll be doing an updated version of that. Plus, I'll do a Scents of All Time video, updated one of that. So look forward to those videos coming up. And if I do a small haul, it'll be more of this. That's about it, you guys. It's good to know when to kind of take breaks from Bath & Body Works, because the last month I've been just going crazy, which is fine because this tropical lime was bomb, and I'm glad I hoarded it because I needed a lot of it. So I have no issue with that, but... Also, the next couple collections are kind of boring. The whole gingham collection, you guys, it's a snore fest. It's just fruity floral, not my thing. So I'm not going to buy any of that. And then the one collection after that, Saltwater Breeze is coming back, and that I already have shower gel on that, and I don't want anything else in that, and that's packaging. And the Gemstone collection, Emerald, looks kind of boring too. So the next 2 collections are kind of boring anyway, so it's a good time to just use what you stocked up. So that's what I'm going to be doing for the next month and a half. So, but yeah. Anyway, you guys, thank you for liking and subscribing. Leave me a comment. Until next time. Bye, guys.